Police would ask that the public drive to the conditions, watch their speed, obviously don't drink anything before they drive. We're a week out from Easter weekend. Police would definitely ask people to be courteous when they're driving, pay attention to road conditions, and definitely watch the speed. Police always tend to beef up traffic patrols over the public holidays. We're there to ensure and to try and ensure that the public remains safe whilst driving away and spending their holidays with family and friends.